In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post to Pinterest with Make. We'll guide you through the process of automating your Pinterest posts using Make.com so you can save time and ensure your content reaches a wider audience with minimal effort. Let's dive in. To start, you'll want to hop over to Make.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new scenario. Click on that and you'll notice a little plus button. Go ahead and click on that as well. This button is your gateway to adding the different applications and modules, one of which will be Pinterest that you'll need for your automation. Now in the search bar that appears, type in Pinterest. You'll see a list of Pinterest modules like Create a Pin, Create a Board, Watch Pins, Watch Boards, Update Board, and List Pins. For our purpose of posting a new pin, these options lay a solid groundwork for whatever creative direction you want your Pinterest account to go. Before we can harness the power of Make to automate your Pinterest pins, we need to connect Pinterest to Make. To do this, click Create a Connection. You'll then be prompted to log into your Pinterest account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Make to access your Pinterest, and then save this connection. If you have a Pinterest business account, or if you're using the Pinterest Developer API credentials, that's great. You can integrate those as well for a seamless transition. There's even an optional sandbox environment if you feel like testing the waters without committing any changes. For the next step, choose the Create a Pin module from the Pinterest options. This feature will enable you to publish a new Pinterest pin automatically, without having to manually engage with Pinterest each time you want to share fresh content. It's time to configure your pin. This involves filling out fields such as your desired board, perhaps marketing tips fits the bill, and your title like AI automation ideas. Add a fitting description, maybe something along the lines of Learn Make.com automation. You'll want to link to the relevant content on your site, and don't forget the all-important public image URL of the image you wish to share. Make sure the image is in a supported format and corresponds to the board you've selected. Where do these images come from? No worries, there are many sources you might already be using, such as Google Drive, Airtable, OpenAI Images, Canva exports, or the featured image from WordPress. Your valuable workflow could involve starting from Google Sheets, generating a caption with OpenAI, and then using the Create a Pin module to post it to Pinterest. Now before setting it and forgetting it, you'll want to test this automation by clicking Run Once. Trigger your workflow by, say, adding a row to a spreadsheet, publishing a blog post, or sending some webhook data. This test ensures that Make will post your pin just as planned, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating more engaging content for your audience.